my most requested video yet, which is how to make these delicious chocolate coconut peanut butter keto bombs. They are super easy to make, super healthy. They only have 1.5 grams of net carbs. I know a lot of you have been asking for it. You've been seeing it in my other keto videos. So we're in the kitchen, we're gonna make it happen. So if you are interested in following along, keep on watching. What I love most about this recipe is that it's super easy to make and you could get the ingredients just about anywhere. All right guys, let's get started. First ingredient, coconut oil. Peanut butter. And make sure you get the peanut butter that is just the peanuts and the salt, nothing else in there. There's tons and tons of peanut butters to choose from and you have to read the label, just peanuts and salt, all natural peanut butter. Butter. Shredded coconut, cacao powder, vanilla extract. All right guys, the next step is to measure out all your ingredients. I will have all the measurements listed in my description box just in case you don't catch it. Now that you have everything measured out, what you're going to want to do is grab a non-stick pot, a spatula, and turn the heat on low. Heat is on low, everything's ready to go. Got your butter, boom, coconut oil, cacao, that peanut butter, whoops. Peanut butter left behind. And then vanilla. Make sure that you're constantly stirring. Save the coconut flakes at the very end. Don't pour it into the mixture. We're going to sprinkle that on into the little cupcake pans. All right guys, go to your local grocery store and grab cupcake liners and start lining them up. All right guys, grab a 1/4 cup. It's going to make your life a lot easier, and what you're going to want to do is stir the mixture and then take your 1/4 cup and just pour it right into. To grab your coconut flakes and just sprinkle it on top. All right guys, it's been 30 minutes. Time to check on the keto bombs. Oh my gosh, these look so yummy. Look at that. I like to add almond butter on top of mine just to give it a little bit more of a nuttier flavor because it does taste like dark chocolate. If you're into dark chocolate, this is going to be phenomenal. If you're into dark chocolate, you're definitely going to love these. Yeah, sometimes eating delicious things, you don't have to look pretty eating it. Those are the rules of eating delicious food. Okay, that's my rule. I got chocolate on my arm. Chocolate on the arm. Chocolate on the arm. Okay, all right, getting back to business. I will store these chocolate on the arm. Okay, I like to store this in a gallon bag, so just go ahead and take them out. Because these are made out of coconut oil, it has such a low melting point. It's going to melt really quickly, so you want to store them in the freezer or refrigerator, whichever one, and take them out whenever you are ready to enjoy. Alright guys, that concludes my Keto Bomb recipe video. If you remake it, please let me know. Of course, this is your recipe, do what you want with it. I am just here to help. This is just what I do, doesn't mean you have to do it. If you did not hate this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, please click that subscribe button. And as always, we're signing off with some love and some gratitude. We'll see you next time.